let's today discuss about how we can mask the object in Power BI. Okay, so I have prepared these two objects and how it is behaving. So I have applied the condition if any of the city is having less than count of 15, then it will not show the object, else we will show the object. So it's a simple calculation here in the bar chart. So for example, if I'm selecting this Augusta, so this having count is greater than 15, that is 20, so that's why it is showing the object. But if I'm selecting the Aurora, this is not having the count of ID more than 15. So this is just hiding the object. So how it is working here is, so I have a mask over the object. So this is the masking object, and when I'm removing it, it is showing the 13 value. Okay, so that's how we can hide the object, one of the way to hide the object in the Power BI. So based on the requirement, we can utilize this functionality. So how we can achieve this functionality? So I'll create a new sheet and explain it by scratch. So I'm creating, let me pull the object from here. So this is the object having x-axis containing city and y-axis count of ID. Okay, and I have added one more slicer over here, and this is going to be city. Yes, so I'll keep it shorter and we'll move this object to up. Okay, so we have these two objects and I have to control this object based on this slicer. So first we will create a shape. So let's pull this rectangle, and this rectangle we will be controlling by transitioning. Okay, so I have this masking measure created where I have added this condition. So counting the ID, distinct count of ID, if it is greater than or equal to 15, I will be putting this code to the fill section, or else I am keeping it as simply white. Okay, and this code is transitioning to 0%. Okay, so how it works is, I'll simply select this object and move to this style section, and in this style section I'll add this fill color option, and in that I'll use field value and select that masking measure. Okay, so this masking measure make it to like white, because I did not select any of these value. Okay, and this is having the border as well, so I'm just turning it off, so it should be transparent. Okay, so this is for now, this is this if condition is true, that's why it is showing it as a transparent. But when I'm selecting any of the city and making the if condition false, then it will move to this section and make it white. So the white color match with the background and it will show like the object is disappearing. Okay, so for example, I'm selecting the Akron. Akron is not having more than 15 or equal to 15. It is 4 only, so that's why it is hiding and making it to the white color. And if I'm selecting Augusta, it is turning it off, the making the transparent if condition is true and the object is visible. So this functionality will be helpful based on situation to situation, where we want to hide the object, but if we publish this dashboard or we use this functionality, there are chances the user able to select the object or make it focus the area, focus the object. In that case, our transparent masking object won't work. In that case, we have to be keep this thing in mind, and if we want to uh, control this area, we can disable the focus mode from the setting. Okay, so this was a quick video explaining about how we can control hiding and showing the object based on the requirement or the condition. Thank you.